The weak link in any concrete floor is the cement used to bind the aggregate together. Cement alone has poor compressive strength and low wear resistance. On a floor, the effects of carbonation and the weakening of the surface of the concrete due to exposure to carbon dioxide and moisture can cause dusting and premature wear. Also, one situation a plant manager does not want to see is a newly laid concrete floor absorbing moisture, chemicals, oil, or grease. Do you want to protect your floor from chemical attack, staining, wear, and degradation? Would you like a low-maintenance sealed floor? Use Liqui-Hard from W.R. Meadows. Liqui-Hard is ready to use, easy to apply, and fast drying. It makes concrete surfaces hard, dense, and resistant to moisture, dust, chemicals, oil, grease, and abrasion. Liqui-Hard can be used wherever hard, dust-proof, and improved chemically resistant surfaces are required. Ideal applications include floors in industrial plants and warehouses, storage silos, sewage plants, chemical processing facilities, and refineries. Another perfect application is in heavy pedestrian floor traffic areas such as civic centers, sports arenas, stadiums, hospitals, airports, and museums. Liqui-Hard is a colorless liquid formulated with chemically reactive raw ingredients that deeply penetrate the surface of concrete. This deep penetration densifies and hardens surfaces to offer improved resistance. When properly applied, Liqui-Hard will offer substantial improvement in abrasion and chemical resistance and will significantly improve the durability of the concrete surface when compared to untreated concrete. As Liqui-Hard is applied and penetrates into the concrete surface, a chemical reaction takes place, producing a byproduct that fills in the pores of the concrete. This process produces a substantially denser concrete surface with enhanced durability. Liqui-Hard also protects against scratching and peeling. Liqui-Hard provides a tough, protected surface that won't after yellow, discolor, or show pedestrian or vehicular traffic wear marks. When properly applied, Liqui-Hard will offer substantial improvement in abrasion and chemical resistance when compared to untreated concrete. After application, Liqui-Hard will provide a permanent, attractive sheen on the concrete floor, with the ability for future polishing. After a successful application, the floor will also improve light reflectance. Liqui-Hard meets maximum VOC content limits of 400 grams per liter for concrete protective coatings as required by the U.S. EPA Architectural Coatings Rule. The actual VOC content is 0 grams per liter. Liqui-Hard is a Green Spec approved product. The use of Liqui-Hard can help contribute LEED credits for architects taking part in LEED certified projects. Before applying Liqui-Hard, prepare the surface where it's going to be applied. Be sure to clean surfaces of all curing compounds, residue, oil, sealers, waxes, contaminants, and latents before applying. Ultrite degreaser from W.R. Meadows may be used for this purpose. Fill and repair all holes, cracks, and deteriorated areas before applying Liqui-Hard. Although Liqui-Hard is ready to use from the container, we recommend gentle mixing or stirring for optimum performance. Saturate the surface with undiluted Liqui-Hard by sprayer, squeegee, or brooming. While keeping the surface wet with Liqui-Hard, scrub the surface with a bristle broom or mechanical scrubber until the material gels, which takes approximately 30 minutes. Spray the material lightly with water and continue to work it into the surface for another 5 to 10 minutes. Flush the surface with water, removing any excess material with a mop or squeegee. Failure to thoroughly wash and remove all excess materials from floor surfaces may result in unsightly white stains. To avoid etching glass, aluminum, or highly polished surfaces, be sure to immediately wash off any Liqui-Hard overspray with water. Do not allow Liqui-Hard to dry before flushing excess from surfaces. Allow Liqui-Hard to dry for 2 to 4 hours. It dries very quickly on new concrete. However, drying times may be extended on old concrete due to surface conditions. Restrict foot traffic for at least 4 hours. 12 hours is preferable. While still wet, equipment may be cleaned quickly and easily with soap and water. 28 to 30 days following application, the Liqui-Hard treated floor can be burnished using a 3,000 RPM, 280-pound minimum propane burnisher. First, use a black pad and pass the machine up and down the floor in a lawn mowing action. Turn 90 degrees and do a side-to-side pass. Change the pad to red and make a final pass in the original direction. Burnishing the floor will result in a shiny, highly reflective floor. For the ultimate finish, use a white pad after the red as a final polishing step. Liqui-Hard outperforms other products on the market to provide clients with a tough, hardened surface without the need for costly reapplication. More importantly, it is designed to be applied once to last the lifetime of the building. Untreated or improperly treated concrete can be a liability for the life of the building. Making the right choice can be difficult with all the claims made for concrete densifiers. At W.R. Metals, we believe that side-by-side testing provides our clients with the ability to make the right choice. Utilizing the Tabor abrasion test method, Liqui-Hard showed a 52.91% increase in wear resistance when compared to a controlled untreated sample of concrete. Independent testing, according to ASTMC 779, confirmed that Liqui-Hard provided superior abrasion resistance when compared to competitive products. For over 80 years, W.R. Metals has been recognized as the leader in developing and producing the highest quality products for concrete performance. We have built a coveted reputation among architects, engineers, and contractors for producing the highest quality products.